I tried FoxWallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about FoxWallet, I thought it was just another newcomer trying to compete with MetaMask. But after using it for 7 days straight, the shocking truth is that FoxWallet might actually be one of the most underrated multi-chain wallets on the market. On day 1, setup was smooth and privacy-focused. No signups, no personal data, just your recovery phrase. FoxWallet is fully non-custodial, which means only you control your keys and funds. By day 2, I was already impressed by how many networks it supports. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain and even Layer November 11th 2025 like Arbitrum and Optimism, all managed in one simple dashboard. By day 4, I explored its Diffie integration. You can connect directly to dApps, stake tokens and view your portfolio performance without leaving the wallet. The in-app swap feature works flawlessly, giving you competitive rates with clear fee breakdowns. On day 5, I tried its NIF support, smooth, organized and visually appealing. You can see your entire NIF collection across multiple chains in one place, which most wallets still struggle to do. By day 7, I discovered the shocking truth. FoxWallet delivers high-end functionality in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. It's fast, secure, and doesn't bombard you with ads or confusing menus. Most people get this wrong. They think only big wallets like MetaMask or Trust are worth using. But FoxWallet proves that a smaller, more focused team can build something faster and more intuitive. After a week, I walked away genuinely impressed. If you want a wallet that combines privacy, speed and cross-chain access without the usual clutter, FoxWallet deserves a spot on your phone. Sometimes, the hidden gems really do outperform the giants.